During a training mission, Kakashi asked Naruto to measure a 300 trail using pacing. Naruto walked the trail 5 times and got these pace counts: 134, 143, 145, 132, and 129. Afterwards, Sasuke was assigned to pace another trail. He walked it 6 times and recorded the following: 482, 465, 455.6, 475.8, 466, and 450. Mission task is help Naruto and Sasuke find pace factor based on Naruto's data. Calculate the average number of paces Sasuke took for new trail. Determine the distance of Sasuke trail using the pace factor and his average paces. A. In order to find the pace factor, we simply do first the summation of all the pace counts. 134 plus 143 plus 145 plus 132 plus 129, meron tayong 683, divide by 5 kasi 5 times yung inulit. 136.6 meter average pace. Now, to get the pace factor, I use this trick, D, P, F, P. D stands for the distance, PF stands for pace factor, P stands for paces. Now, substitute lang natin, based sa given na meron tayong 300 meter and the average pace. Pace factor is equals to 300 meter over 136.6 paces. Meron tayong 300 divided by 136.6, 2.20 meter over pace. B. Calculate the average number of paces Sasuke took for new trail. Ito naman, summation lang din. 482 plus 465 plus 455.6 plus 475.8 plus 46 plus 450, we have 2,794.4 meter over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Meron siyang 465.73 meter. Ito yung average pace. Okay. So, yung last, C. Determine the distance Sasuke trail using the pace factor and his average paces. Now, gamitin lang ulit natin yung district. D over PF P. Now, meron tayong, ang hinahanap naman dito is the distance. May given tayo na pace factor and the paces na ito. Substitute lang natin. P is equals to PF 2.20 over pace multiply by 465.73 pace. Now, cancel this unit. We have 1,024.61 meter. And done.